Food crops. Crops that are grown for human consumption are known as food crops. So the major food crops grown in our country are rice, wheat, millets. So under millets we have jawar, bajra and ragi and pulses. So rice we have already discussed in the previous class. So today we'll take up wheat, millets and pulses. So first let's take wheat. So wheat is the second most important crop in India. Wheat is a temperate crop. It requires cool climate with moderate rainfall. So the temperature 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius during sowing and 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius during ripening. And the rainfall 50 centimeters to 100 centimeter. Soil must be clayey, loamy or black soil, well drained, texture with a small lime content. And the major wheat producing states in India are Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. So, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana put together have earned the distinction of being called the granary of India. And this has been possible due to the Green Revolution. And wheat is a rabi crop grown mainly during winters. So here you have to see the climatic contrast between the rice and wheat. Okay, so rice is a kharif crop and wheat is a rabi crop. So rice, it needs average temperature between 20 to 32 degrees Celsius, whereas your wheat, it needs not more than 25 degree Celsius, because higher temperature is harmful for the plant. And about the rainfall, rice needs more than 100 centimeter rainfall, whereas the wheat, it requires moderate, that is 50 to 100 centimeter. So here the wheat growing regions of India: Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana. These are the major regions. So now let's see the millets. So we have jawar, bajra and ragi. So jawar, bajra, ragi are together called millets. They are edible seeds. Millets are called dry crop as they are hardy, drought and heat resistant, and therefore cultivated in the drier part of the monsoon land. So millets are often referred to as a dry crop. Why? Because they are hard, they can resist heat or strong heat, and also they can survive without water. So therefore they are cultivated in the drier part of the monsoon land. So now let's see the geographical conditions. Jawar, it requires a temperature ranging between 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, and rainfall is 20 centimeter to 100 centimeter, and the soil should be clayey loam. And jawar is a kharif crop, that is a summer crop, and the producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana. Next we have bajra. Bajra is grown both as a kharif and a rabi crop. Okay, it's grown both in summer as well as in winters. So the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, and the rainfall moderate, 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter. And it's widely grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Punjab. Now next one we have ragi. It is also grown both as a kharif crop and as a rabi crop, that is both in summers and winters. So the temperature is high, that's 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius, and the rainfall, that's 50 centimeters to 100 centimeter. Soil, a variety of soil is found suitable. That means there's no particular soil for the growth of this crop, and it can grow in a variety of soil. So it's grown in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, both for the food and the fodder purpose. So now let's see pulses. Pulses are cultivated as a kharif crop in northern India and as a rabi crop in the southern India. And they are the leguminous crop. So now what do you mean by a leguminous crop? Means like these are the crops, okay, that helps in restoring the fertility of the soil. So next point you have it. They help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air, and they are grown in rotation with other crops. As I've already told you before, crop rotation. Now what does it mean? This is a growing of different crops on the same field after the harvest of the previous crop, and it is generally done to preserve mineral in the soil. And the states are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Haryana. So now let's see the geographical requirement. It requires a temperature ranging between 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, and rainfall 50 centimeter to 75 centimeter, and the soil is dry, light soil. So here you can see the distribution of pulses in our country. So the area under pulses cultivation has increased in India. Why it's increased means they form an important diet for the vegetarians as they are rich in protein. And secondly, being a leguminous crop, isn't it? Because leguminous crop helps in restoring the soil fertility.